We're hoping to change lives. You're targeting unmet medical needs, and you're doing it with students who understand the clinical dynamics of the problem as well as the basic science. It's an area of intense potential impact.
The cutting edge for making discoveries, especially in medicine, is combining the traditional clinical work with basic science, which gives you translational science. Together, we can really make a difference, and I think that without a PhD, there's no chance. It's just too complicated, forget about it. With the PhD, I have a chance, and people have a chance.
This is the type of research that can have huge impacts, not just on emerging diseases, but can also be preventative. The more that you train this task force of physician scientists, of translational scientists, the easier you can tackle health problems in the future.
ND PhD students are a different breed of students because of their interests. There's so much that we don't know, and the techniques to find those things out keep improving every day, so you're always getting these new tools to ask some really high-level questions.
The MD-PhD program really is the tip of the spear. Our students are doing incredible things. Neuroscience, they're working on cancer, they're working on infectious diseases. Students from around the world are looking to Brown's program, they're looking at its integrated model of training, and they're looking at our outstanding researchers from the basic science all the way to the clinical science. And they're realizing, you know what, I want to be here.
To know that you can pursue the things that you love in an integrated fashion, I feel like that's really the Brown way of doing things. It's a really interdisciplinary program that allows you to draw from your experiences in the clinic to really motivate and inspire the research that you do.
This came from really a place of compassion. Losing siblings, members of the family, to diseases that we don't understand. Specifically, for example, for me was glioblastoma, going at the wards and seeing patients and then, desperately wanting to go into the depth of how the disease mechanism really works. And I felt dearly that this was a significant way to actually get to a place of curing diseases. Making a contribution that's going to benefit humanity, benefit a family, someone I never met. That's absolutely, that's everything for me.
It's really exciting to be able to have access to all of these expert clinicians, expert physician scientists, expert academic researchers to really help the students develop questions and then turn those questions into experiments and those experiments into hopefully exciting results.
One of the best ways we can invest into people's health and humanity in general is to train more well-rounded doctors. And to me, MD, PhD, basic science intersecting with clinical research, what we call translational medicine, I can't think of any better way of really investing directly into patients' health than this. So I think it's a must.